Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, you might want to consider subscribing. Got some great videos and got some great videos coming up. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick video on just a simple lemonade. Everybody makes iced tea and everything, but you don't realize how easy lemonade is. I make it basically the same way as I make my iced tea, except for I use lemon instead of the tea bags. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 4 lemons and a cup of sugar. And you're going to make the syrup like we did in the iced tea. I washed the lemons. What we're going to do is we're going to cut them. I don't know. I love using one of these. So when you cut a lemon, you want to roll it, cut it, and this has got a strainer in it. So to get rid of all the seeds. And basically you just do that. So this is going to make a gallon. I'm going to get my gallon jug and I'm just going to fill it up with water. Those 4 lemons yield a cup of lemon juice. I've got a gallon of water here, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with half of this. Okay, so got a cup of water, cup of sugar. You bring that water up to a boil. Alright, so our water's starting to boil. Put our 1 cup of sugar into our 1 cup of water. And we're going to bring this up to a boil again. Do not walk away from it at this point because it will boil over. So you just want to boil it for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. Get that water to evaporate, and it'll thicken up and make a syrup. So now that we have that syrup, we'll put that syrup mixture right into our water. Now remember, I didn't put all the lemon juice in. I put probably 3/4 of it in because I just want to make sure that it's not going to be too tart. It can actually use more sugar. So I'm going to do another half cup for a little bit of water to make a syrup. Okay, so I did about another half cup of water and another cup of sugar. I'll mix it up. glass. I washed this. Okay, that's better. Now I'm going to put the rest of that lemon juice in here. So, 1 cup of lemon juice to 2 cups of sugar. You make that syrup. That's good. It's been a while since I made the lemonade, so that's why it kind of threw me off. So, gallon of water, cup of water, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. And that's it. It's not too sweet, believe it or not. It's not too sweet, and it's tart enough to be refreshing. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.